Assalamu alaikum students. This is future perfect continuous tense, last tense of future series, active tenses series, and now we will start our passive tenses. So future perfect continuous tense, if I talk about its definition, so it shows any action which will be ongoing or continuous in your future from any specific time. For example, he will have been sleeping, यानी he will have been sleeping since 3 o'clock, वो 3 बजे से सो रहा होगा. It shows any action which will be continuous from your future any specific time. फ्यूचर के किसी खास वक्त से एक्शन हो रहा होगा. Now, if I talk about its Urdu identity, you will have this type of word. रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे with duration. शाम से, रात से, कल से खेल रहा होगा. And we will have helping verb will have been, or either you can use shall have been with I and V. But even if you use will have been with I and V, it will be correct. It will make no difference. Verb, we will use ing form of verb in all the perfect in all the continuous tenses. Either it is present continuous or present perfect continuous, past continuous or past perfect continuous, same like future. We only use ing form in all the tenses which have a word continuous. So same is the case here. With singular and plural we will use will have been. For example, वो शाम से खेल रहा होगा. So he will have been, वो शाम से पढ़ रहा होगा या सो रहा होगा. He will have been sleeping since evening. वो शाम से सो रहा होगा या रही होगी. So you can see he is your subject. Will have been is your helping verb, because we have to use will have been as our helping verb, and sleeping is your verb, and since evening, this is the time duration involved in future perfect continuous tense, which will make him future perfect continuous. Otherwise, if I say only वो पढ़ रहा होगा, it will become future continuous. He will be studying, yeah, he will be reading. But if I add any time duration in future continuous, it will become future perfect continuous. I have written my own English language course book, though I have mentioned this future perfect tense in my book. But when I take my online classes, during my classes, I hardly teach this tense to my students, because this is my assumption and like perception. We hardly use future perfect continuous tense in our daily routine. आप खुद अगर गौर करें, मैं शाम से काम कर रहा हूँगा, मैं रात से पढ़ रहा हूँगा, we hardly use this type of tenses, or we hardly have this type of situation to define in our writing or even in our speaking. But obviously this is a tense which is a part of active tenses, number 12 tense, last tense of active series. So we have to define it as I have told you. If you like my way of teaching, you may join me, and having paid a reasonable fee, the number is in front of your screen. Call me, pay your fee, select your class timing, and start learning English staying at home. Thank you very much.